Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us for our Thursday weather video brought to you by Country TV, Sky Channel 081. Well, the forecast at the moment, certainly a warm one across the country. Warm winds right out of the subtropics. That's the reason why the upper North Island in particular, very warm, and overnight lows across most of the country well above average at the moment, all thanks to this warm west to northwest wind flow, which is going to dominate the country for another week yet before the southerlies come back in. So when we look at the wind and rain maps, you can see that front coming through here. This is the west coast front moving into the North Island now. So Friday morning could be some very heavy downpours around places like Auckland, Waikato, Northland, Coromandel Peninsula and Bay of Plenty. There is a chance of a thunderstorm. It's at the lower end, and then it gradually slides away with drying skies, maybe a shower into the afternoon, and most of the country getting westerlies, and the west coast, your 9 to 10 days of rain continues into Friday with more showers and patchy rain coming through. Into Saturday, and more rain for the west coast, but it dries out for the north. It may well be a sunny morning when you wake up. Now you might notice there's a southerly change there, but it is not a cold southerly. It's a cold front, yes, but the air behind it doesn't change a great deal. So we go from subtropical air to air that's coming out of the Tasman Sea. So it's still mild, it's just not as mild as it was coming out of the north before. And South Islanders and the east coast here in the drought zones, mainly dry. You might get a few spits. Most of the rain though is going to come into the waterways rather than falling there on your farms. Into Sunday now, and it looks pretty dry for some parts of the North Island, but another front coming through. It's a fairly weak one, but again, west coast you get rain or showers, and this next front lining up for next week. In fact, we've got several days of windy westerlies and fronts coming through. It's not at the damaging end of the scale, but it's enough to make, well, plenty of stuff for me to talk about, put it that way. That is all for me. We'll catch you again on Friday with the latest.